Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you guys this beautiful video. I had 10 of my favorite ladies over for dinner, and guys, we were celebrating my sister's 50th birthday countdown. Let me show you guys all the goodies and all the preparations that actually led to this fantastic evening. Guys, I don't know about you guys, but to me, the dinner table is a special place where you can share special dinners with friends and your family. But it's also a place to step away from the hectic pace of life, guys, and enjoy a delicious dinner with a good wine, great chat with family and friends, guys. So I am super excited to actually host this event for my friends and my sister, of course. Guys, as you can see here, I know it's not spring, but we're here in South Florida. I love colors. And I have all these tablecloths, and I have placemats. These are so pretty. Guys, I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I am just going to pick what I think is going to look pretty. I know I'm going to do this a few times before I actually get this together. And another thing, guys, there's many ways you can actually set a table. There's actually, I believe, 5 or 6 table settings. You know, you got your basic, you got your informal, formal, you name it, guys. But you know what? This is just gonna be fun, guys. And I want to share this with you guys. Of course, I got candles. As you can see, it's important to have lights. I think it's pretty. Of course, I have my tea lights as well. And guys, listen, use what you have home. You don't have to go out of your way to prepare a beautiful table setting. This is actually, I haven't set a table for 10 in a while, so we had to add 2 extra chairs. But we did it, guys, and it just came out so pretty. Guys, these are water bottles. I think they're so pretty. Okay, they don't have to be perfect. I have different sizes. Of course, I'm gonna have some wine, and we have the tea lights. And these beautiful glasses I'm gonna be using for water. We're gonna actually be doing a little wine tasting, and we already have some wine glasses that I'm gonna be using. So this is just gonna be for water. I think these are so pretty. And as you can see, I mix and match. I have different type of plates. We're gonna have a delicious dinner, guys. I will tell you guys later what we're gonna be having. But guys, again, improvise. Use what you have home. It doesn't necessarily have to be something expensive or high end. I always say this, guys. Presentation is key. So get creative, guys. So bring out all your table settings and select, choose. Put things together, colors together, and have fun, guys. Just have fun putting a beautiful table setting together for any special event. Now, guys, look how beautiful this table setting came out. Very simple, guys. Just basic. Just put things around. Nothing fancy here. I think it's simple. The candles, the lights, tea lights, everything. The colors. Have fun, guys. I say this all the time. This was a lot of fun. I'm not going to lie. I think I changed this table setting like 3 times. Just kind of playing with the colors. And of course, the different table runners and placemats. But this is perfect. I think this came out perfect. And guys, improvise. My table sits 8. I had a party of 10. I actually got lucky. I grabbed 2 patio chairs, pretty similar to the colors I'm actually using here. And I think it looks perfect. So you see, guys, it doesn't have to be fancy. It does the job. I think it's perfect. This right here, guys, is a must if you're gonna host a wine tasting, a charcuterie board, guys. This is a number 50. You can't really see it because it blends with the counters. We had a blind wine tasting. Guys, it was so much fun. By popular demand, we had this delicious strawberry salad with feta and almonds, marry me chicken, and some jasmine rice. Guys, this was a hit. So let me tell you guys what's going on. Here's a little secret with my family. We love surprises, and we love just throwing surprise parties. Anytime we have the opportunity, we throw a surprise party. We love it. So my sister Mari is turning 50 next month, so we decided to do a dinner countdown for her 50th. So we decided to invite all her friends, her closest friends of course, and just throw this beautiful dinner for her. She's gonna be so surprised. She has no idea. Now, my sister Marilsa, who is the youngest, drove to her house to pick her up. So Mari, who's turning 50, here she comes, thinks that she's going to dinner somewhere with her sister Marilsa. But that's not the case. She's coming home. This was so funny, guys. You have to see her reaction. And guys, this was the best part. We were trying not to laugh out loud. It was so funny. I am not going to put what she was saying because it was not nice, guys, okay? So let's just leave it at that. But I'm gonna give you a peek of what exactly she said when she took her blinds off.
Alright, put your feet in. Alright. Don't leave me.
I don't know about you guys, but it wasn't a dry eye at the dining table, guys. It was just so emotional, and she was just so happy to see all her friends. She was truly surprised. I think mission accomplished. So guys, we are 4 siblings. We are 3 sisters. Oh, sisterly love. I love this. So we're 3 sisters and 1 brother. And we are pretty close. By far not perfect, guys. But you know what? We always find each other. And that's what matters. Guys, I think that beside the wine tasting, this was one of the best parts. Of course, the girls wanted to try this delicious Marry Me chicken. And guys, this was by popular demand, okay? So Marry Me chicken it was. Everything was just perfect. Guys, I love it when I have friends and family over and they enjoy the food and we have great conversations about it. We actually had a conversation about jasmine rice and all the other type of rice. So you know what? I'm so happy the girls enjoyed this dinner and we had so much left over. So you know what? Some packed for lunch. So that was perfect. Guys, entertaining should be fun. It doesn't matter if you have a table for 8, a table for 4, a table for 2. It doesn't matter. Make it happen. I get it, guys. I know entertaining is not for everybody. But you know what? I think every so often, I think it's nice to have a close family member or a friend over for a nice dinner, a glass of wine. And hey, if you don't do wine, whatever you fancy. Just to sit down and enjoy a great dinner and forget about the world for a jiffy. That's just the way I see it. We work so hard. We're busy with kids. Of course, those who have kids. Those who work a full-time job and still have to come home and fix dinners and do homeworks. Guys, I think we all deserve a little time to entertain and enjoy family and friends. So guys, definitely this was the highlight of our dinner, the wine tasting, okay? And we literally had to move the wine tasting to the dining table. So it was actually nice. We're all sitting down and we were just able to chill out and enjoy the wine. And guys, when I say this was hilarious, it was hilarious. It was funny. So my sister Marissa bought a game actually. I don't want to call it a game. It actually looks like a board game, but it's really not. So it has cards and it gives you all these different type of wine, different type of grapes, and the regions these wines actually come from. So you have to kind of select, which kind of helps you out. You select from the actual card. Once you taste the wine, you can actually select, and based on the taste, you know, what region, what type of grape it is, what type of wine it is. It was funny, guys. It was so much fun. And I actually don't think you need to buy this kit. I think you can probably use a paper bag and hide the wine. I think it'll do the job. So if you guys see here, we were lucky. Hector actually helped with a lot of the recording. I'm so grateful for that. And he also was the one pouring the wine. And of course, he was as professional can be. Made it actually a lot of fun. I'm going to let you guys just listening at the hot mess we had at the dining table. It was funny, guys. Enjoy.
It's early. It's dark. No, this is dark, guys.
California.
Mine says wine tasting, y'all. That's what I have.
Yeah.
Wine tasting, y'all.
I don't know. I could be wrong on that because it could be right too.
Guys, I truly think the best part is we literally had a debate about whether it was white or red. It was funny, okay? Chardonnay, Pinot Grillo, you name it. No, it's red. No, it's white. It was funny, guys. And fun to say the least, guys. Guys, to me, there's nothing more satisfying than savoring delicious food and good wine with family and friends. And you know what? Who truly appreciate the time and effort you have put into preparing a delicious meal, guys. This was fantastic. And of course, guys, we have to have dessert. This choco flan was wow. That is all I have to say. Melissa did a fantastic job. And you know what, guys? I definitely have to have her in one of my videos so she can show us how to do this delicious choco flan. And guys, until next time, thank you for watching. Cheers.